Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to fix add friend not showing in Facebook. Open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and go to settings. Once you're in the settings, go to profile. From the profile section, you need to go to privacy. Now go to privacy settings. Now go to the friend request. Now select the option of everyone so that everyone can send you a friend request. Now how will you check if someone can still send you a friend request? Just go back to your profile. Now go to settings and select the option view as. And from here you can view your profile as an outsider. And here you can see the add friend option. And that's how you do it. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.